How to take photos in both RAW and JPEG on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Camera app. After click on Camera app, click on this four dot icon. After click on this four dot icon, click on Settings icon. After click on the Settings icon, click on Advanced Pictures option. After click on Advanced Picture option, click on Pro Mode Picture Format. And if you want to take picture in both RAW and pages, so if you want to take a picture with RAW, click on RAW. So you will see. If you want to take a picture with the JPEG, click on JPEG. So you will select RAW and JPEG from here. After select, go back to home screen and click on camera app and take a picture. You will see RAW and JPEG picture is take. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can take pictures in both RAW and JPEG on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.